Hey, I am JK. As usual, I greet you from wherever you are tuning in. Today I'm doing a wig tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to do a crochet wig, and this is how we are going to start. If it's your first time, please subscribe to this channel, like, comment and share. These are my strands here. I did them from a side and I'm going to crochet them on the wig cap. I've already crocheted a part of it, so now I'm going to show you how I'm doing it or how they do it. I am going to use a crochet hook. I used a medium crochet hook. You can use a bigger one, but a smaller one is better. This is small, but if it's smaller than this, it's far better. A wig cap, it's where we are crocheting our braids or our Moroccan curls. These curls are twisted. I did them from a side and I'm bringing them to the wig cap. Here is my model. I got her to help me wear it, to help me wear the wig cap, so that I can make this easier. If you don't have someone to help you wear the wig cap, you can get a dummy and place your wig cap on the dummy, and start making your wig. So I was telling you, I used a crochet hook. It is a smaller one, and I started crocheting my crochet braids this way. I get my hook, I place it into the strand. At the top of the strand there is a hole. I use this, I crochet through the net, then I use this hole, I pass my crochet through the hole and I crochet the strand to the wig cap. I'm using double crochet style, or you can even crochet, you can use a single crochet style. You crochet once and you tie using your hand, or you crochet double and it's already tightened into the net, into the wig cap. Remember, the wig cap is a net. So in order to strengthen your strands in the wig cap, you need to crochet it twice. That is, it is already locked. It helps you to be locked in the cap, in the net or in the cap. Or you can crochet once and just tie with your hands. If you don't know how to crochet, you can go into my previous videos. I taught you about crocheting, how to double crochet, and how to double crochet and also single crochet. Here I'm double crocheting. It is easier and faster. When you crochet double, you already lock it. It's already locked. But when you crochet once, you have to tie it. This is double. I think you can see how I do it and how I do it in a double way. Hope you are following. This is double crocheting. It's already tightened into the net, because if you crochet once or if you don't tighten it into the net, it can get out easily, but here it can't get out. Remember, this wig, it is a long-lasting one. As long as you get for it a better spray, you can use mousse or a foam. You're going to see at the end of this video how to maintain this wig. It's a crochet wig, and I used Moroccan twisty curls braids to make this wig. This is how I'm crocheting, so I'm making it. Now this is a single crochet, then I'm tying. It's up to you to use double or single crochet, but double is faster, though double is a bit for people who are experienced. If you're still a learner, you can start with single crochet and you tie using your hands. Single crochet, then you tie. You tighten it very well, just like that. I salute you from wherever you are tuning in. This wig is an order from my client who stays in UK. She wanted it in a bigger volume because they are soon approaching winter. So if it's big enough, it can give her some warmth. That's why you're going to see it bulky at the end of this tutorial. Hey, don't forget you are watching the most. You can also place your order in case you want such a wig or you want a hairstyle. If it's a hairdo, we use outside corners and we crochet our Moroccan curls and twist them. All these tutorials how to do Moroccan curls, they're on this channel. You can go into my previous videos and watch all these tutorials how to do Moroccan curls. But now this is a wig, and this is a very fast video about wigs, how to do a wig. And this method I'm using here, it applies to all other types of wigs, all different types of wigs. Of course, you can use a hook or a crochet needle to do them, just like this. Crochet needles or hooks have different types. There are those ones who are which are very small. Then there are ones which are medium, like this one is medium, and then there are those crochet hooks which are a bit, or which are bigger than this one I'm using. Yeah, here we go. We are about to get done with the crocheting part, or with the crocheting process, and then we get to another level where we are going to wind up with our wig. If it's your first time, please subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell for my daily uploads. I upload videos every day, and you can also share this channel to your loved ones. I was telling you, if you want to make an order with me, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. You can call straight, or you can go into my comment section and write to me. My WhatsApp number is +256 779 89 42 59. Don't forget, we are on the mission of making it 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Please make sure you subscribe if it's your first time, and of course, if it's not your first time and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. We are almost done with our wig, and we are going to use this mousse. It's the foam we put in to activate our curls. Here I'm applying my foam. Some people may be asking how to maintain this wig or this type of hair, this type of crochet hairstyle. Just use the foam and you apply it once in 3 days or once in a week. Then here I'm cutting off the dead ends. And of course giving it a nice shape. I salute you for following me. I love you, and keep on supporting this channel. A lot more is coming, different tutorials, and if there is a tutorial that you want me to do for you, please go into the comment section and inform me. I'll be right here to do what you want. Then here I'm on the very final part of trimming off the dead ends and shaping the wig. keep enjoying this video and subscribe, like,
Here
share,
it is. You can see it very well, so bouncy.
I love you
And
wherever you are tuning in.
this is how it looks.
Upload videos
So beautiful,
every
and
day.
it
If
is
you
long lasting.
click on the
This is the wig cap. You can see it. This is the inside of it. You just wear it on your head. This is how it looks. Thank you for watching this video. I remind you again to subscribe. See you in another video tomorrow. I love you so much. Bye bye.